Put on your gloves and set up your working area. Take the mixing container and add POP powder. Slowly add water and stir it with the spoon until you get a smooth paste. Pour the mixture into the moulding tray and tap gently to remove bubbles, or use the scrapper to level the top and remove extra paste. Now let it dry for a few hours until it becomes hard. Once the shape is dry, carefully remove it from the tray. Use the palette to mix colours and moulded shape to life with vibrant colours. Now add a pinch of acetic acid and baking soda into the carter, top of the volcano. Mix red food colour with baking soda and citric acid, or add the colour in the water. Now carefully pour the water into the carter and watch your volcano fizz, bubble and erupt like real lava.